How to maintain your vehicle's suspension system. Your vehicle's suspension system helps ensure you enjoy a smooth ride. A system of shock absorbers, struts, and springs helps absorb the bumps and dips on the road to keep you more comfortable in the driver's seat. But your suspension system does more than just offer a smooth and efficient ride. It also helps maintain the health and longevity of your entire vehicle. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Auto VFix. We bring you exciting topics about automobiles and provide lucid explanations on issues related to cars and their essential components. I share helpful and professional tips to help you maintain your vehicle. Today, I will be talking about an essential and exciting topic: how to maintain your vehicle's suspension system. The best way to care for your suspension system is by taking your car to the nearest mechanic, where expert technicians know the ins and outs of your vehicle's suspension parts. What is a vehicle suspension system? The suspension system is made up of a few primary components, including shock absorbers, coil springs, struts, leaf springs, and tires. That's right, your tires are actually part of the suspension system. Shock absorbers are long, tube-shaped pistons filled with liquid. They support the springs by compressing and lengthening to reduce the impact from a bump or dip in the road. Coil springs are placed near the shock absorber and take much of the impact from bumps and dips in the road. Struts have a shock absorber and a spring in one assembly. Struts provide structural support for your vehicle. Not all vehicles have struts, and ones that do typically only have them on one axle. Leaf springs are made up of multiple plates of slightly curved metal that are clamped together. They are installed on a vehicle to help minimize vertical vibration and are mainly found on vehicles with solid rear axles. Tires are the only car suspension components in your suspension system that touch the ground. Your tires take much of the impact from road bumps and dips, transferring it to the shocks or struts. Basic car suspension maintenance. Typically, suspension system maintenance should be left to the professionals at the mechanic due to the complexity and importance of the system within your vehicle. However, there are a few things you can do at home to help keep up with your suspension, and it all has to do with tires. 1. Check your tire pressure. Since your tires are the only part of the suspension system that touches the ground, it's important to keep them inflated to the manufacturer's recommended SI level. You can typically find this level on a sticker on the driver's side door jamb. Find the recommended SI level number. Then check each tire with a reliable tire gauge. Fill any low tire to the specified SI level. If a tire is overinflated, wait until it cools for at least 3 hours to confirm. Then, deflate any overinflated tire to the specified SI level. 2. Check your tread depth. Healthy tires also mean having good tread depth. Start by checking for any low or bare spots in the tread. The tread depth should be more than 32 inches. A quick penny test can help you roughly measure your tire's tread depths. Uneven wear can indicate that there's trouble with your suspension system, but it can also indicate your vehicle needs a wheel alignment. If you notice uneven tire wear, head to your local mechanic for a professional diagnosis. How to know if suspension parts need replacing. There are a few common signs that one or more components in your automotive suspension system need to be replaced, including 1. Your ride is more bumpy than usual. 2. Your vehicle rocks back and forth when you steer. 3. Your vehicle feels lower to the ground. 4. Your tires are wearing unevenly. 5. Your vehicle rocks or bounces when you brake. 6. Your vehicle's struts or shocks are leaking oil. Symptoms may mean different parts of your suspension system malfunctioning or broken. To determine which suspension parts need replacement, it's best to have your vehicle professionally inspected at your local mechanic. Maintain your suspension. The best way to keep your vehicle's suspension system working as it should is for a routine checkup starting at 50,000 miles. Expert technicians know all there is to know about your vehicle's suspension components. What suspension parts tend to wear out, and how to know what suspension parts need replacing. Schedule an appointment online or call your local mechanic to set up your suspension system maintenance check. Thank you for taking the time to watch our engaging and informative video. I'm confident you found it valuable. Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and enabling notifications by clicking the bell icon. This way, you'll be among the first to receive updates when we release new content. See you in the next video.